So I'll be showing you how to hide your caller ID on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. So it's very simple. Just go to settings. On the main settings page, go to phone, tap on that, and then under calls, you should see show my caller ID, tap on that, and then it's going to be either on or off depending on your carrier default. Mine is on, which basically means it's going to show my caller ID. Every time I call someone, they're going to see my number or my name if they already saved my number in their phone book. So to hide caller ID, turn off this toggle button that says show caller ID. Then you can now go back all the way to the home screen. And that's basically how to hide your caller ID on the iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.